Guys, it's Melanie. What is up? I am not going to spend too long on this intro because today I'm showing you 50 outfit ideas, things to wear when you have nothing to wear, because I know we both know here there is something. You're gonna have to find something to wear. Hopefully these outfit ideas help you out. Let's get straight into them.
Hey guys, what is up? It is voiceover Melanie here. I'm gonna admit to you, I have never done an outfit video over like 10 outfits, I think. So this one is obviously gonna be much longer. It requires a lot more talking from me, which, you know, can be a good and a bad thing because I'm not a pro voiceover expert here. I watch outfit inspiration videos all the time, and I was also heavily contemplating how I was gonna do a voiceover because I really didn't want to bore you with me talking for a whole 15 minutes straight, but I also didn't want it to be like dead silent or just like background elevator music playing. So you're gonna hear a little bit from me here and there. This is just me saying, hey, what's up? As I briefly went over in the introduction, today I am showing you 50 outfit ideas / outfits that I've been wearing recently, as you will see in this video. Although I have a massive closet, which, you know, I credit that to my thrifting addiction, I end up wearing a lot of very similar outfits and reusing a lot of the same pieces, which, you know what, is not a bad thing. It's kind of like having a capsule wardrobe, and since I wear a lot of basics, hopefully this will be helpful for you guys so that it will be easier to recreate. Huge shout out to my brother for moving to Canada for a couple months so that I could film in his basement. Just kidding, he didn't move just for me to film down here, but this wall did come in a lot of handy because if you see my room, there's not enough room in there for me to film anything basically other than my hauls. I tried my very best to give you guys all the information and details about where I got all these items. You will notice that most of the things are thrifted, but I did try to give the brand of the piece, if it said it on the tag or if I remember where it's from, so that you can find something similar. Same goes for all the jewelry. I rewear a lot of the same jewelry from day to day, so you'll kind of see that. So if I wore the same thing over and over again, I just wrote where it was from in the first time or first couple times wearing it. A concept that I have been following a lot recently, and I also didn't really realize, but I kind of do naturally, is having some kind of, I'm doing air quotes, you can't tell right now, but uniform almost, where I wear the same outfit but then kind of switch out different basic pieces. So this is one of the ones that I use a lot. I'll just wear like some kind of small tank top, throw on a button up, wear my big flare jeans. As you'll see in this video, my Zara wide leg jeans are literally my favorite things ever. I wear them probably like 3 times in a week, which says so much because I am a jeans hater. Like, I literally hate jeans, but whoever started the wide leg jeans trend, I am literally in love with you. I will marry you right now because skinny jeans, not for me, never for me. Watching this and editing it is also kind of funny because you can see the huge contrast in my outfits and just the lighting in the windows varying from day to day, showing how bipolar the weather here is in Seattle. absolutely love how these Zara jeans and just wide leg jeans in general can be super casual. They're so comfy, but then they also can be dressed up into more formal of an outfit, which is a theme you will see reoccurringly in all of these outfits. I like things that are very comfy casual, but then can also be slightly dressed up. I also love watching these collective wardrobe outfits because these are actual things that I wore, and it kind of shows how much my style varies from day to day. One day I'll be very Seattle city chic, millennial, you know, with the gold jewelry and whatever, and the next day I will be like slight art hoe, quirky, she likes to thrift outfit vibes. Also guys, please don't mind the fact that the clothing rack keeps changing the background and the setting and kind of the angle of the camera. You know, there's a lot going on in this basement and these filming arrangements, so I was kind of getting used to it, but you know what, the white wall, good enough for me. I feel like I've been talking for a really long time, not even gonna be dramatic. This kind of feels like I'm filming a podcast because I'm kind of filling like 15 minutes of silence and I don't really know what to talk about, so I guess it's kind of just like a hey update while you look at the outfits I'm wearing. I'm not really sure, but I did want to say, please guys, round of applause. I only wore sweats like a couple times in this video. I don't think I even wore leggings like once. Maybe yoga pants, I think they're different, but we're making huge strides for me today, so applause, round of applause, yay. Feeling like Pluto. This is another trend that I've been so here for. As you can see by my coat rack in the back that is somehow filling itself and then disappearing randomly and spontaneously throughout this video, I've been really into different styles of coats, more specifically more formal looking coats, kind of like trench style, a little bit European. I feel like it makes me look a little bit older and more mature, which, you know, it really goes for me. The only bummer is that I'm literally so short that trench coats drag on the ground for me, but I don't care. I think they're so cute. Not that you care, I'm kind of just filling space, but one thing I've been really obsessed with is watching YouTube videos and also following those Instagram accounts showing what people are wearing in like Milan and London and just like random cities, and it's so fun to look at them because their style is so like eccentric without them even trying. It's literally like effortless, but they look so cool. It makes me want to be friends with all of them. This was a little phase when it was like 70 degrees for a week out, and so then I went into my full out like Outer Banks mode, whipped out my Birkenstocks, my shell necklaces, called it summer basically, but you know what, I'm here for it. Basically gonna be wearing a bunch of button-ups and probably exchanging little crop tops for like cute bralettes or something during the summer. So excited for that. Absolutely in love with this sweatsuit from Serotonin Supply. First off, I love what they stand for. They donate a bunch to mental health organizations and just advocate for it, which absolutely I'm in love with that idea. But also sweatsuits, let me just say they're genius somehow. I don't know, but by wearing a sweatsuit as opposed to just like sweatpants or a sweatshirt makes you look like more put together somehow, which, you know, you literally feel like you're floating in a cloud, but you look adorable. Like, genius. fashion trend that I've been pretty into that you can kind of see here, but it's kind of more played down, is doing like monochrome outfits. So I like pairing a lot of colors together when I have no clue what to wear. This is kind of another one of those quote uniforms, but I love dazzling it up with really adorable accessories. Here I am wearing this chunky necklace from Euphoric Days, which is a little Instagram shop that I found. I absolutely love how it spices up any outfit.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor.
I swear one day I'm literally wearing shorts and a tank top, and the next day I'm wearing my giant North Face puffer, but I mean, you know, it's Seattle for ya.
Baby, you got my attention. So you would say
I feel like hair scarves were very, very in last summer, even in the fall, and I am still in love with them. You know, it covers up the oily hair, which, you know, sorry, that's gross, but they also look so adorable with anything, even a super plain outfit.
something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
By now, I hope you also realize that I only rotate through like 3 pairs of shoes, and they're always Converse or my Nike Air Forces that are like literally beat to a pulp, but I can't go buy new ones because I'm lazy.
About adventure times. Another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smile, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the woo girls doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh, baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
This is probably the fanciest outfit I wore in this entire video, and in, I don't know, not to be dramatic, but my entire life. The trench coat really spices it up, I would say. And as I mentioned earlier, I'm in love with kind of the monochrome neutrals, which I really played up in this outfit. And here we go, another fabulous example of my contrasting style. Yesterday, I looked like I was trying to be a college student or something, and now I look like some rock star girl in a band tee. Here for the outfit, love layering. And the next day, I am a TikTok trendy Depop looking girl. That's what I was going for apparently, but I'm super here for it also.
You believe me, but if I mean to show, I will never let you go. No, I don't see the logic.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it and it gave you some outfit inspiration. If you want to see more, make sure to check out my Instagram and my TikTok. I post a lot of like outfit ideas there, and I post a lot of my outfits on my stories on my Instagram. Other than that, I would just love to get to know you and chat with you. But thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.
I know you wanna leave, so come on, baby, be with me. So
happily.